Reading practice. Repeat after me. Alex can walk to school. Alex can walk to school. The dog likes meat. The dog likes meat. A cat drinks milk. A cat drinks milk. A snail is slow. A snail is slow. A rabbit is fast. A rabbit is fast. Let's continue with longer sentences. The cat is sleeping now. The cat is sleeping now. He is cooking in the kitchen. He is cooking in the kitchen. They are riding a bicycle in the yard. They are riding a bicycle in the yard. My sister plays the piano every evening. My sister plays the piano every evening. Now let's make the parts longer. My friend and I listen to music in my room. My friend and I listen to music in my room. My friend loves dancing very much. My friend loves dancing very much. His mom watches TV every night. His mom watches TV every night. My brother enjoys swimming in a pool. My brother enjoys swimming in a pool. I should Clean the house. Tomorrow. I should clean the house tomorrow. My son brushes his teeth early in the morning. My son brushes his teeth early in the morning. For more basic videos, click the link in description.